you guys, it is Fluffy Girl Jess. Guess what I have for you guys today? I have a Boxy girl. I think these are super cute. I have Miss Willa. I also want, where is she? She's on the front. I also want this girl and the cute little watermelon dress. I think she's adorable, but I haven't found her yet. So, but I did find Willa, and she's super adorable. Ooh, pardon the glare. And she comes with goodies that are a surprise. And I have a fashion pack for you guys. And it comes with, I think, 6 goodies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah. 6 goodies that are a surprise. And we're going to open up Miss Willa. And then we're going to open up the fashion pack. And we're going to see what we have. And I hope it's really awesome. Because, yeah, these are super cute, you guys. And I found them at Walmart. That's the only place I've seen them so far. So I don't know if they're, like, exclusively at Walmart. But that's the only place I've seen them so far. Okay, you guys. Miss Willa is out of her box. And she's super cute. I love her little headband. I think it's adorable. And she does have pretty thick hair. So I'm pretty pleased about that. And then she is kind of jointed. She is jointed in the wrist. And then her shoulders move. And her head will move. And then she's jointed in the knees. And then she has on this cute little blue dress. Like this. It has this cute little pattern on it. Anyway, and it's kind of ombre. I like that. It's adorable. Okay, and then we have 4 of the surprises that Miss Willa came with. So let's go ahead and open those up. We have box number 1. And I'm still working with cuticle scissors. So anyway. Okay, we have box number 1. We have some cute little stickers. And paper thingies. And this is adorable. It's a pineapple purse. I would actually use this if it was my purse. I do have a pizza purse. It's right over here. It's adorable. Anyway, that's so cute. So our first little surprise was a pineapple purse. Everybody needs one. So our second little box is right here. And it just says shop, unbox, repeat. And then in this one, it's not a sticker, but it just says thank you for your purchase. You're welcome. And then it has tissue paper. So we're going to see what it is. It feels little, so. It's, oh. Ooh. It's this cute little bracelet. Or is that a choker? It might be a choker. It's a choker. Yeah, so it goes like right there on her. And we're going to put it on her in just a second. And then it comes with these cool like little boho earrings. Those are super cool. That's cute. Ta-da. Earrings. And her choker. Adorbs. Okay. That was the second box. So we have the third and the fourth box. Here's the third box. And this sticker says, I love this. And then this says, enjoy these new fashion finds. And then we have more paper stuff. Ooh, these are cute. These are shoes. Look, they're like these pink, like wedge sandals. And they have, look at that. They're so cute. Those are so cute. Oh, I like these shoes. Okay. Those are adorable. Where's the other one? Okay, here's box number 4. I have opened the tape, but I have not seen what's inside. Ooh, it's a little purple high heel. But that's just super cute, you guys. And then this one also says, thank you for your purchase. More paper stuff. And we have another purse. And it's this cute little, like, boho handbag. I think it's cute. And in the box with Miss Willa. And here's Miss Willa again. She's super adorable, you guys. So we're going to put her right there. And then we're going to open up this fashion pack. I do not know what's in it. It is a surprise. So we're going to open it up right now. And here are the 6 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. We're going to take all of these out. Okay. Should we start with the big box first? I think we should. Here's another sticker. And again, it says shop, unbox, repeat. And it has tissue paper. Like I said, and this was the big box. What's in there? Oh, it's another one that says thank you for your purchase. Okay, they were wrapped up, and then I kind of unwrapped them and peeked just a little. But these are kind of awesome. They're pineapple sunglasses. These are too cute, you guys. I would actually wear these too. These are adorable. So we have box number 2. We have a heart sticker. These stickers are pretty cool. Another one that says, enjoy these new fashion finds. So we have a couple of those so far. And it's all wrapped up and it feels squishy. Is it clothes, maybe? It is clothes. It's a little shirt. It's so cute. It's like a little ruffly shirt. And it's pink and purple and flowery and adorable. And I like it. Okay. So that's that. So we got a shirt. Ooh. It's sticking me in the leg. I had a twisty tie. It was not comfortable. Okay, box number 3. Look at me. I'm shaking like it's Christmas. I'm shaking the presents. Do you guys do that? Ooh. This must be clothes too. And it's all wrapped up in paper. This is cute. It's just like a little denim skirt. So we got a little outfit, you guys. We have this little shirt and this little skirt. Ba-ba! It's kind of adorable. Box number 4. This one says, smile. Okay, you guys, that was kind of a weird smile, but you get the gist. And then we have more stringy paper things. And we're going to put it up there. And more stringy, more paper things. Okay. We have shoes. These are really, really cute shoes. And then we got these cute little sandals. They're wedges. Look, they're so cute. They have like little bows on them. Ba-bam, like this. They're adorable. And they match our little outfit. I like it. Okay. Box number 5. Or should we open this one? Let's open this one. Okay, this is box number 5. This one doesn't rattle as much, so I'm intrigued. Oh. We have a bow sticker. And I love this, like, memo board kind of thing. Okay, it's all wrapped up in tissue paper. I don't know what it is. Oh, it's super cute. Okay, I got these little earrings. They're adorable. These are adorable. Got these little earrings. Hold on a minute. Hold on a minute. I got more stuff in there. It's all little bitty. I got these cute little earrings right here. those are cute. And I got this little, like, bracelet. Do you see it? Maybe? Yes? Okay. And a little thing of nail polish. This is adorable. Okay, so I got earrings and a bracelet and a little nail polish in box number 5. These are cute. Okay, I'm going to put these. Woo! I just dropped the bracelet. Oh, I gotta find it. It's tiny. There it is. Box number 6. Last one. Oh, something is poking out, but I'm not going to show you yet. Okay, I have a sunglasses sticker and another heart sticker. The stickers are pretty cute. And I have more paper fluffies. Oh, and I have more shoes. Okay, these are like the ones that we just got, except these are purple. When we opened Miss Willa, her like lacy up platform shoes that were pink, we got the same shoes but in purple, which is really cute. You can never have too many shoes. Never. Okay. These are super cute. Okay, and that is it, you guys. So that was Miss Willa, the Boxy girl, right here. And we opened all of her accessories and a fashion pack. And we have all this good stuff in these boxes and this box. And then these cute little sunglasses and all of these stickers and all of the stuff in this box too. That's lots of stuff. That's lots of stuff. These dolls are super cute, you guys. So I can't wait to find the other girl in the watermelon dress. Because, yeah, I need her. Okay, maybe not need. But anyway, these dolls are super cute, you guys. Go check them out at Walmart. They're super adorable. Okay, you guys. Thank you for watching. And thank you for subscribing. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. And I will see you guys later. Bye.